What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Sound Bus. Today I'm checking out XG's brand new video, In the Rain. Let's go.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, 'cause we had each other, fall through the weather.
That's smooth.
There was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? But my you still running in. Goodbye, goodbye. So you never been like that,
Wow.
like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got
Very
nobody
calming.
to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold.
That's
Can't you
smooth.
see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else?
I like what they've done because, like, the concept of in the rain and rain is a calming matter, but the video and the choreography is very soothing, very calming. Their vocal lines are really relaxed. This is like a real chill vibe here. I like the concept. They're always good at putting a concept together for their videos and coming out with really good cinematography. And so far, they are nailing it.
I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain,
But
in
there's
the
water
rain,
down
in
there,
the rain. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, don't go away.
Yes.
Please stay another
Chill.
day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. Each drop. Yeah. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye.
I like that they kept the beat the same. They didn't have to put a little extra hip hop beat to her part. It was just a smooth. Keep it the same. That's perfect.
Sometimes the words just
Keeps
can't
the
explain.
vibe
I don't really wanna
the
think
same.
about anything. Goodbye. Ain't no one will look back.
Chill guitar.
Game, what a pity. Save it all in a frame. We done it, baby. Pour down a drain. All the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else
Oh, yeah.
can I do?
I like the choreography in this.
No umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. In the rain, in the rain.
Yeah.
Baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain.
Little shake to the camera.
Baby, let me soak
Little thunder and lightning.
wash you in the rain. In the rain, in the rain. There's no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. In the
Yeah.
rain, in the rain, in the rain.
XG. Man, that was super chill vibe. I mean, very great production. Once again, everything I've seen for them is well thought out and just executed perfectly. I think what I liked most about this video was the simplicity. It wasn't too much in your face. It wasn't trying to do all these extravagant things. It just kept that vibe right there. And it was sick. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Drop a like and some comments below. And I'll see you on the next video.